Data, unorganized facts that need to be processed to become information. Information is the output of analyzed data and can be used to gain a competitive advantage in any industry. But data can only be analyzed and turned into information if it is managed properly. Often you have a system producing data and another system that consumes this data. These systems are tightly coupled, which means they depend on each other. Multiple systems can consume data from the same producer. The extra load on the producer can result in degraded performance or cause it to fail. This is where Apache Kafka comes in. Apache Kafka allows you to completely decouple your systems from one another, which means the producers will no longer get overloaded. The systems we are talking about could be web applications. For example, companies like to track user activity, such as page views, searches, or attention. This data can be produced to Kafka and then consumed by other systems, such as monitoring tools or even applications that can react to this information. You can have multiple systems producing log data to Kafka so that it can be consumed by a centralized logging system. These logs can be used for continuous monitoring and system troubleshooting. Kafka itself is made up of multiple components. The main components to know about at this stage are brokers and topics. Topics are an ordered sequence of messages, stored in a durable way. A message is sent by a producer to a topic and contains the desired information and metadata such as a timestamp. These topics are not just floating around in space, they live on brokers. Brokers are responsible for the main processing tasks and form a cluster spread across different servers for resiliency and data replication. Many big companies are using Kafka. Uber uses Kafka to adjust prices in real time. Netflix uses Kafka to give users video recommendations, and Spotify uses Kafka as a central component of its log delivery system. I will put a link in the description below so you can see how other companies are using Kafka. To sum this all up, Kafka is a resilient, distributed, and fault-tolerant event streaming platform. Brokers are responsible for the main processing tasks and are horizontally scalable, meaning you can just add more of them when needed. Producers and consumers are the client-side applications that send or receive messages to or from topics. Topics are on and managed by brokers. There are many use cases for Kafka, such as activity tracking, gathering metrics from multiple applications and centralizing them, and decoupling systems. We will dive into more components in future videos, but hopefully this has provided you a good high-level overview of Kafka. If you enjoyed the video, please support the channel by subscribing and leaving a comment.